How to trade on Polkadex Orderbook. Placing a trade. Once you have funds in your trading account, go to the exchange page and select the market you wish to trade in from the top left drop-down menu. Click on Buy or Sell in the top right trading console depending on your trading intention. In the IBTC USDT market, for example, a buy order means you are purchasing IBTC with USDT, whereas a sell order involves selling IBTC for USDT. To place a limit order, select Limit Order from the top right drop-down order picker. Then set the price and amount for your order. Limit orders are filled once the market reaches the price you've set. To place a market order, select Market Order from the top right drop-down order picker and enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Market orders fill existing limit orders and are executed instantly at the current market price. The final price depends on the volume of the market order as it fills available limit orders. When you're ready to execute your order, click Trade. Check the bottom of the page to see and manage your open orders, order history, trade history, and available funds.